welcome back. I am so happy you're here today, and I cannot wait to share with you something very, very fun. As an interior designer, I understand that everyone's style is different, and I truly believe that there is something unique and extraordinary about every style. It is why my Free Spirit bundle is so eclectic, because I really want to touch on multiple styles. And today I wanted to prove it to you that this bundle is for everyone. Today I want to introduce you to Michelle and her daughter. They have actually been subscribers since day one of Free Spirit Bundle, which is a little over 3 years now, which is amazing to me. I am so blessed, and I love that they still love their bundle, that they love getting it every single quarter. Now, these women are completely different, right? It's a mother, a daughter, their styles are not the same, and yet they both love the Free Spirit bundle.
I am Lauren Meredith. This is my mom.
Oh, I'm Michelle John. Hi. This is like the favorite part. Oh, Michelle.
And Lauren.
I do love the details. So mine says, Michelle, I hope you are getting settled into your new beautiful home. Can't wait to see how you style your May bundle. Be inspired. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Victoria. Love these.
Mine says, Lauren, I'm so thankful for you, and I hope you love your May bundle. Be inspired. Love, Victoria.
Ready?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cheating one. It's like Christmas morning. Ready, set, go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So gorgeous. Where are we starting? Where do you want to start?
Well, I like the card.
And this just talks about calendar events for Free Spirit Bundle. It always has beautiful artwork on it. So again, just the little touches, even if you wanted to just frame it and put it in your home as kind of a cute little like spring look.
And it looks like this is her artwork. Really cool.
Go big box.
Yeah.
Yeah, going all in.
We've got our lavender flowers.
Adorable burlap wrap. I always feel so bad because there's so much detail put into getting it wrapped. Okay, and this is very fragile. I believe this is the sneak peek item. All I know is be careful, it gets really hot. So that's mercury glass, and it does say, warning, hot surface, do not touch. And again, what I love is that there's always instructions in here on different ways to use it. They're just beautiful, and then it just has the little open so you can set your candle in. Thinking either in the window behind you that looks out onto the golf course, or in what we call the library, because again, it just gives that beautiful soft glow when there's candle lights in there.
I have a piano in my house, and on the piano we have a few really cool just feature pieces age that we have.
Oh yeah, like the glass bubbles that go up.
And I think it would fit really nicely next to that.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
It would be another cool feature piece.
And I love the lavender. The last bundle had a big set of lavender to have it kind of spread around, like just take it in.
It's also my daughter's birthday next week, so I'm probably going to use some of these little finer touches for the wrapping things.
Reuse, recycle. All right, I'm going in for the basket, and these are coasters.
We always can use them.
Yep, so I'm handmade for you, so I am one of a kind. I'm great for protecting your furniture from drinks that can be used to catch your jewelry at the sink, which is perfect because I have a brand new table at this dining nook, and that was the one thing my husband just brought out some more a while ago, and I'm like, oh, coaster! Now I have another beautiful selection of coaster choices.
So this lovely basket is an organizer, and it says that it is a hand woven and made of rattan. I can be utilized in many different ways, such as organizing silverware, art supplies, bathroom supplies, and so much more. And with a 5-year-old, it is perfect for a lot of, we can see picnicking happening with this, we could see art supplies in this, our desk organization, all of it.
These are really, so it looks like there was leaves that were used, texture of the different coasters. It's really beautiful. And again, our home's kind of in neutrals with just little pops of color, so having just kind of a really neutral item is just blending in. It looks spectacular.
So yay! We got some more lavender on our, it says, I'm made out of cotton, so I'm easy to wash. Take me on your next picnic and place me in a basket to hold your bread, or use me every day at your table.
The nice part is I've actually had several bundles over the last 2 years. I've been a subscriber since day one, and I've revamped my entire decal drawer and towel drawer because I get like these little gifts of really beautiful towels that you just don't find at stores and things, which are the kind of the day-to-day boring. And candle now for ta-da! That's set. I don't have to go looking for a new candle. One already came with it, so that's perfect.
And as a new homeowner, it was really nice to have this and have this gifted from my mom for my birthday, because it's been really helpful in furnishing my own home.
Perfect.
Napkins.
Going for the little box. This is live plants.
There's so many little thoughtful pieces in each one of these.
So this is a live succulent plant, which is Oftentimes we get the faux, which is great because you can put them in a room and never worry about them again. They look great, easy to decorate, but this one actually is now real, and I'm gonna have to remember to take care of it. That's gonna look great because again,
but at least succulents are low maintenance.
Correct, which is good. And then I'm just gonna jump to the chase on this one because there's,
oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, a beautiful vessel for this. There's recommendations in here. Plant a delicious fresh herb and use me in the kitchen. I can hold your makeup brushes in the bathroom or place a beautiful full plant inside and display me on the shelf. Or like I said, today I think it's gonna go this little guy and just be that perfect like little accent piece next to. Yay! Survive. Perfect. And the last piece is a handmade wood bowl tray. It says, I am one of a kind and made of acacia wood. I can be hand washed and I'm food friendly. I can hold so many things in your home. Let me hold your makeup in the bathroom sink, keys and mail at the front door, or use me on your desk to organize supplies. And I would serve bread in this. Take one of these little towels, beautiful towels, put in there, put some bread or muffins, and then cover it back up and bring it out or put it on a countertop if we're having a little family get together or something. What would you think about?
I haven't thought that far ahead yet, but what I do like is that even from one to the next, you can see how different and unique each one is.
Yeah, they're one of a kind, not just manufactured all from the same piece. And I think, other than you're behind on the one.
My vase. But I like that everything is so cohesive, that from the wood feels to the rattan, the natural materials, the bronzes and the clays that are used, it all feels like one sort of vibe, and it's nice to be able to, it goes together so well.
Yeah, just having these really beautiful natural touches just blend any room of our house for sure, in your house too, so.
Well, and our houses are very different.
Yeah, 100%.
You have a lot of different colors and features and tones in your house that we don't necessarily have, and in both situations, in both contexts, it fits very nicely.
Yeah, 100%. And that's why I love like going to her house and seeing things. It's like, oh, that's so cute how you did it. And I've actually even gone back when there's sip-in shops or open bundles, and I've ordered repeats of things. Like there's some candles I think I've probably ordered 5 or 6 of, or picked up at sip-in shops, no lie. And I recommended or gifted candles.
The candles always smell so good.
Oh, they do. They just fill the house. And it's amazing what one candle can really do. And then I've gotten extra like the copper, the pounded spoons, candles, hurricane lamps. There's just the things I fall in love with. I'm like, ooh, when I go and I see more, I'm like, oh, I need this, because it's really nice to be able to just have them throughout the home and just keep that beautiful aesthetic going. Yeah, so again, we're supporting obviously free spirit, but then also, you know, other from candle makers to now succulent growers, and like I said, it's keeping some of the
one small business. It's one small business.
I honestly stumbled upon Free Spirit Design, and it was, I think the first offering wasn't even a subscription yet. It was just kind of I'm doing this and it's going to become a subscription. So I thought, you know, I'll try, because I'm always, when it comes to interior design, I am the person that likes to, I rarely will see something and go, oh my God, I love that, and then buy it, because I'm just fearful. I don't know what the right answer is. So I subscribed to the first box, opened it up, and everything in there was just like beautiful. And I just felt like this goes in my home perfectly. And it was things that if I probably stumbled across some, I don't know that I would have bought them, because just my own, like, oh, you know, but when you get them, and it's nice, you know, you do the subscription over a course of 3 months. So it's a like smaller little chunk, and yet you get these really beautiful, unique pieces. And after, I think it's like a second box, it was coming up on her birthday, and I'm like, what a great way to give to her so that she can start setting up her home with some really beautiful things, just to add that, again, I know she wouldn't do on her own, because as, you know, as a mom, like, you know, it's all about the kids. So yeah, so it's just a nice way to kind of treat her to some special stuff.
It's really fun, because either I'll get it first or she'll get it first, and we'll text back and forth to be like, hey, have you gotten yours yet? Or accidentally a few times may have sent a picture of like, oh, did you see this? This is amazing.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, my bad. Never mind. I was kidding. Yeah. So it's been really nice. And then just to be able to see how it is used in different creative ways has really opened my eyes up. And then with Victoria's Facebook page, and it's really kind of sort of created a community, not just between my mom and I, but then also with others that we wouldn't have met otherwise.
Having a new home, you know, to be able to reach out to Victoria and say, all right, I've got this wall or this room, help me. Because that's one of the added benefits of the group is that, you know, she's always on hand to say like, oh, I would recommend these particular, you know, lighting fixtures, or this would look really beautiful couch in your room, and give you multiple different price points and sources. So not only do you get the beautiful curated boxes, but you also get, you know, her love and support of her eye. So
for me, it's how incredibly intentional it is. 1000% you feel how much love was poured into this each and every time. From the handwritten cards to the careful packaging to your name written on the outside of the box to the hand delivery in some spaces. Literally every single step as you unpackage, you feel the love, you feel the care, you feel the attention. And then it goes one step further and beyond even the support group, feel that intentionality.
It's Christmas morning 3-4 times a year. So as soon as I get the box, I'm like, yes. And so just to see what's inside, and again, every piece works. Whether, you know, I'm like, all right, this will go in this room, or I'll put it out in a bigger area that everybody gets to, or there's things that we have like in our bedroom that just make beautiful touches on our nightstand and things like that. So I think, again, like her intentional of just making home spaces beautiful. And, you know, they don't have to be these giant over the top items, just these little pops of, you know, like this or the bowl or whatever, that just set something from being ordinary to just really kind of leveling it up in a way that I know I suffer from.
Another great box.
Yes. Thank you, Victoria and
Thank
team.
you.
I know it's not one woman show, it's a whole team of all of you, but we so love getting our basket or the gift bundles, and even more so that it's doing something special for our family every year. So not only are we making our homes more beautiful, we're making the world more beautiful too. So, yay! Yay!
You guys are all extraordinary souls, and I want my subscribers to know that in every single box.